Gardening in containers is something that you can do if you have a small area, like a balcony, and you don't have an area big enough to store a garden bed. So we have different types of containers. Most of them are around 10 inches deep and 7 inches deep, and different diameters. All of these are good to plant your vegetables in your balcony. We use the square foot gardening approach in order to plant. Square foot gardening helps us to have the right distance between vegetables, so they don't get overcrowded and all of them develop nicely. For instance, this big container is equal to 1 square foot. This will be kind of a half of it, and these small ones, 4 of them will make a square foot. Spinach, we usually plant 9 spinach in a square. So since this is a half of a square, we are going to put, will be 3, but we are going to see how many will fit. I think 4 will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, I'm making small holes. Remember, no deeper than your fingernail. We don't plant it straight from the seed packs. We put some seeds in our hand, and then we pick from there. So in each spot, we are going to put 2 seeds of spinach. Focus on the drops. When all is planted, we cover with some soil. That's it. We have planted spinach. In this container, we are going to plant arugula. The technique that we are going to use is we are going to sprinkle arugula. Arugula seeds are very small. Pinch, and we are going to sprinkle, making sure that we cover all the soil homogeneously. And then, once all planted, we take a handful of soil and we sprinkle on top, covering. And there we go, we have planted arugula. We are going to plant 4 scallions in this pot. So, 1, 3, and 4. I feel confident that this one will fit nicely there. And now you make sure that you push your scallions a bit down. Make sure that all the white bit is down in the soil. That's it. And then take a bit of extra soil and cover all of it. And there you go. Scallions.